Welcome to Free Resume Maker. I am going to teach you how easily you can create a professional resume beginner with no experience at all. Click on Create a new CV to start creating. Write your name in the Name section. Write your address in the Address section. Write your email in the Email section. Write your phone number in the Phone Number section. Click on Confirm to save all data. Click on Objectives section. You can select predefined objectives for different fields, or you can write your objective. We will write our objective for no experience person. A resume objective is a statement of your goals for employment, usually listed at the top of your resume. A resume objective is typically 1 or 2 sentences long. Click on Confirm to save objective. Click on Qualification to add your qualification. Click on plus icon for adding a new qualification. In this section, write the name of your degree. In this section, write the name of your institute, university name, college name, school name. Select the start date when you joined the institute. Select the end date. If you are still studying, select the present. Click on Confirm to save the qualification. Click on plus icon to add more qualifications. You can add as many qualifications as you have. To rearrange the qualifications, drag up or drag down to move the position of qualification. Click on Interest or Hobbies to add interest onto your resume. While your resume tells the story of your qualifications and your career, the Hobbies and Interests section reveals a little more of your personality. Write your interest or hobbies name in this section. You can add as many interest or hobbies as you have. Few examples of interest are volunteer work, blog writing, traveling, and others depend on the job you are applying for. Drag up or drag down to move the position of interest. Click on Languages and write the name of your language. You can add as many languages as you can speak or write. Select the level to show on which languages you are expert and on which languages you are intermediate or beginner. Click on the Skills to add skills. Click on plus icon to add new skills. There are 2 types of skills: technical skills and management skills. Click on Technical and write the name of your technical skills. Technical skills are linked to software, tools, apps, and others. Move left to increase the percentage by rating how good you are on your written skill. You can add as many technical skills as you have. Click on Management Skills and write the name of your management skills. Management skills are linked to personal management qualities. For example, they are special skills like communication skills, relationship building, project management skills, and team-led skills. You can add as many management skills as you have. You can always drag any skills to move in an upward or downward position. Click on Achievements and write your achievement title. Achievement can be your achievements like won personality award, won a sports award. Write the detail of your achievement or write your achievements and awards in this section. Choose the date of your achievement. Write the organization name from which you have got an award. Click on Confirm to save it. Click on Reference to add references. If you have added the references but don't want to show the reference onto resume, uncheck Available on Request. Click on the plus icon and add the references. When you apply for the company, if you have someone from your relatives, you can add the reference of them in this section. When done adding all these things, click on to Top Animated Eye Preview. You can select any resume to match them with your requirements. Some resume is designed only for limited information and some CV is designed for only with very detailed information. For this data we have added, I am going to select the Chronicle Blue resume, as our inserted data is only for non-experienced resume. You can try any resume which looks better for your needs and for the job you are applying for. Thank you very much for learning how to create resume for with no experiences at all. In the next video, I will teach you how to create resume for intermediates with 1 or 2 experience. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Have a great life with an amazing job. Always stay happy and healthy.